Hello again, everybody, and welcome to another edition of RV Business Capital Talk. I'm Rick Kessler, and with me, as always, is Sherman Goldenberg. And joining us today is Wayne Kaylor of Way, which previously was known as Way Interglobal LLC, but we're doing a rebrand, right, Wayne?
Yes, we are making it easier for everybody to remember.
Wayne, thanks again for joining us.
No problem. Glad to be here.
Well, let me give a quick little background of Way as a company. Wayne, you're the president, CEO, have been for quite a while now. The company itself over a decade, years old.
Correct. Yeah, 12 years and counting.
Okay. Do all kinds of components and appliances for the RV industry. Several proprietary brands, Everchill and Greystone would be the other two prominent ones, plus some others.
Correct.
And you also are distributors of several other brands, including LG and Hisense.
That is correct. Yeah, we've got some American known brands and then a lot of our own private label brands.
You are a distributor in the pure sense of the word, right?
Correct. Yep.
Okay.
Two-step distributor.
Okay.
Now, Wayne, one of the things that we've noticed, especially over the last couple months or so, is not a week goes by where there's not a press release coming from your office about some sort of expansion or we're adding personnel. You guys are in quite the growth mode as of late.
We really are. It's been a remarkable run since COVID hit last year. We've basically doubled our business and on path to possibly do it again this year. Products are being well received in the market, kind of driven by our Everchill, which was the first 12 volt out and has really taken the market by storm. And then we've got great support from our customer base, which we greatly appreciate as well.
Now, some of these, your facilities, of course, you have the two in Asia, but in Northern Indiana and Southwest Michigan, you're kind of a little bit here, a little bit there, but you're added up, it's about 400,000 square feet, I believe.
Yeah, today we're right at 400,000. If we could get everything under one roof today, we would. Not possible in the climate in Elkhart County to get a lot of big buildings. So today we have 4 facilities that add up to the 400,000. Corporate office is here off the toll road in Elkhart. And then we have plans for a major expansion next year, actually.
Tell us about that if you would.
Yeah, no problem. So we are in the process of building a little bit over 800,000 square foot facility along the toll road and should really become something for the local community to be very proud of. It's going to be one of the bigger facilities in Elkhart. And I think, you know, with the industry and the path that it's on, the trajectory and ongoing positivity behind the industry, I think it allowed us to be able to break ground and do some things that we want to do, as well as know that going forward, it's going to be very positive.
This consolidates your warehousing?
It will. We'll get everything under one roof, and then it's going to allow us to get into some other categories that we want to get into, but we don't have the space today. So it'll streamline efficiencies, really will benefit our OEM customers, and just being able to get things under one roof and do things more efficiently.
Wayne, where at on the toll road will you be?
We'll be very close to County Road 17, the interchange there. So it's a high profile position, and
I assume on the north side?
We will be on the south side of the interchange, or excuse me, that would be the west side of the interchange. Okay. And the north side and northwest side, sorry.
Okay. Gotcha. Right. Have that done by next week, maybe?
If steel and workers were available, it still wouldn't happen. We're targeting third quarter of 2022. There's a lot of problems getting steel components, as everybody knows, for building. So All of it's ordered and en route, but just takes time to get something of that magnitude built.
Could you recap for us essentially where you're at today, your business with an eye, back and going forward? How do things look to you today?
Things are very positive. I mean, the industry, as we know, is in a great position. There was some publicity that your magazine and others put forward a week ago about the rental business transitioning into new ownership, new opportunities. I would say we're on a very good run as an industry. I'm proud to be part of it. And I think we're all in for some good times for the next foreseeable future. And what that's allowing us to do is kind of speed up our timeline of new product development and innovation and bringing it to the market.
So you consider yourselves, your company, well positioned for this next round of whatever's coming next?
Yeah, we believe we are. Obviously, acceptance of the product is the key, right? If we don't have any customers that want to buy our stuff, makes it a little difficult. But I think what we're bringing to market, both looks, quality-wise, pricing, meet all the criteria for people to want to buy our products. So yes, I would say it looks good in the foreseeable.
Wayne, just curious, what's your mix of RV OEMs as customers compared to adjacent industries or other industries? And might you be looking to expand on that?
Yes, to both of those questions.
Okay.
So today we're probably 99% OEM driven. We've had obviously great successes, as I've mentioned, on the OEM side. So we put a lot of our efforts there. We hired some new marketing content people over the last 15 months, and that's allowing us to do some pretty significant growth in the aftermarket business. And we see that as a really developing area for us within the next 12 months. Outside of that, we're kind of in the marine industry background here as well. We have some products that will fit well into that, but space and time become a problem. So this new facility will really allow us to do a lot of different things into different markets. And that is in our business plan.
I'm more or less in the home stretch myself, Rick. I just want to know more, what's the temperature out there, wherever the heck you are?
Well, sorry for the backdrop. It's virtual from Arizona, but I'm here in lovely Indiana enjoying the spring weather today. Snow tomorrow.
Okay, Rick, how about you? You got anything else?
Oh, we could ask you to talk about COVID, but boy, oh boy, that's a dead horse anymore.
It is. And, honestly, we're pretty fortunate in our industry. I think we all know that. We really, as a group and an industry, came out of COVID probably stronger than anybody anticipated. To me, it's really been almost a delight to see the industry pull together to get out of the mess that it was in. There was nothing anybody could have predicted, but I think everybody worked together to get us to the point we're at today, which is a successful point for the industry.
And you feel we're emerging from this pandemic phase?
The pandemic, I do. I think there's some supply chain constraints that will continue through the end of 2021. But I think as far as the business temperature and climate, very, very positive. But there's challenges. There's challenges every day when you're manufacturing and you're importing and whatever. But I think we'll get through it again as a group in an industry.
We appreciate it, speaking for both of us, very much your time today, and hope to see you on the streets and in the restaurants of Elkhart down the road here.
You definitely will. Good seeing you both.
All right, man.
Thanks, Wayne.
All right. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.
Take care.
See ya.